Ever wondered why the Deccan region of India celebrates a festival called Ugadi? Ugadi, also known as Yugadi, is more than just a celebration. It's an embodiment of a cultural heritage that marks the New Year's Day for the people of Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. The term Ugadi is a fusion of two Sanskrit words, Yuga, meaning age, and Adi, meaning beginning. Hence, Ugadi symbolizes the beginning of a new age. This significant festival is celebrated during the month of Chaitra, typically falling in March or April, heralding the arrival of the vibrant spring season. According to Hindu mythology, it is believed that Lord Brahma, the creator, commenced the creation of the universe on this very day. So, Ugadi is not just about the onset of spring, it's about celebrating the creation of the universe. How about diving into the unique traditions of Ugadi? The celebration of Ugadi is deeply rooted in rituals that symbolize the essence of life. Among these customs, the preparation and consumption of a special dish called Ugadi Pachadi stands out. This dish, a flavorful concoction, is made with raw mangoes, tamarind, jaggery, neem flowers, and salt. But did you know that each ingredient in this dish represents a different aspect of life? That's right. The sweetness of jaggery symbolizes the joys and happiness we experience, while the bitterness of neem represents life's challenges and hardships. The sourness of tamarind is a reminder of the inevitable ups and downs, and the heat of green chillies signifies life's surprising twists and turns. This dish, much like life itself, is a blend of diverse flavors and experiences. Isn't it fascinating how a simple dish can encapsulate the essence of life? Are you ready to explore the deeper meaning of Ugadi? This festival isn't just about marking the start of a new year. It's a rich tapestry woven from the threads of life itself, celebrating all its forms and emotions. Imagine a day where sweetness, bitterness, sourness, and heat come together in a single dish, symbolizing the varied experiences that life tosses our way. That's Ugadi for you. It's a reminder that life is a mix of different tastes and we should embrace them all. The arrival of Ugadi signals the time for new beginnings. It's a moment to clear away the old and make room for the new, to set fresh goals and aspire towards greater heights. It's a celebration of life's endless possibilities, a testament to our ability to adapt, grow, and overcome. So, now that you know what Ugadi is all about, which aspect of the festival would you like to explore first?